Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a little device that I received from Lumsing Group. Today I'm going to review it and also talk about the giveaway about this little device. So it is Lumsing 6000 milliamp ultra slim portable power bank external battery pack backup charger. It looks so nice. Alright, so this is the box that I received, and once you open it, it has Lumsing power bank itself. Also comes with a micro USB spring charging cable. It also comes with a user guide and also the power user card for Lumsing official website, and also comes with a carrying pouch. This little Lumsing backup charger, you can see it looks so slick. It is made out of aluminum. It's very solid. I have to say it's very small comparing it with other battery packs, and also it is very durable. You have to remember this little device do have a power button and also 4 little indicators that will show you the charge, and each one of them will stand for 25% of charge. So once you charge it, all of them going to be lit. You can see that it have one micro USB 5 volt, which is 1.5A input in the front, and also it has 2 USB 2.0 ports, which is 5 volt. Again, this device is pretty durable, very nice looking. You can see right now it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, but for today we have teamed up with Lumsing to give away up to 10 of these. So in order to participate into this YouTube giveaway, you have to first subscribe to our channel. The second thing, you need to go into Lumsing YouTube channel and subscribe to them too. Also, you need to thumbs up this video and also leave a comment on what color you like to get for this device. And also you need to go into our Facebook page, like us there too, and also like the Lumsing Facebook page too. Again, all the links will be available in the bottom. So at the meantime, I hope you guys like my video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.